Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X-Icon Changer app on that device. So let's just first get the application from the app gallery. That's why in the search pool here enter X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application is installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app. And now we can see here all the available applications, which icons we can change. For example, let's go with the contacts one. Click here. We can here rename this application if you want, but I don't want to do that. We can here select a new icon from this folders with the libraries with the icons. Also, we can use our device photos, so from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, for example. And also we can use just right now camera app to take a picture. So I'll go with the library, for example, with this is the contacts. Let's use this one. Tap here, then to OK on the right upper corner. Now just tap here to add this icon. How we can see here the contact shortcut created. We can change next icon or go to desktop. So just by the same way, select the app, change here the icon, and after that add it to the home screen. And now somewhere here, let's find the contacts icon here. This is our new contacts icon, where it's the regular one. I think it's here. So let's just add here our new icon to see the difference between them. So that's it. That's how to change icons and icon shape on our Huawei MatePad with X-Icon Changer app. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.